annotation tools. I'll start up Screencastify. They work best when I'm recording a browser tab, so I'll make sure that is on. Make sure the tools are on by showing more options. I see that they are on, and I'll hit the record button. Here in the lower left corner, I see the annotation tools, and I can go ahead and use them. If I want to use the pause button, right here on the left, I could pause the recording and then resume if I need to take care of something. If I look at the cursor tools, I have a few options. This highlight, whenever I click on anything, it makes a highlight around it. See how it shows up with the big red circle? I can go ahead and hit that. This tool, focus. So this shows where I'm pointing with the mouse. Notice how it highlights different parts of the web page as I am talking, or I can turn it off. This next tool is the pen tool. I click on it. I can go ahead and select a color for the pen, and I can point things out here. Maybe select a different color and indicate things with the markup tool. I still have to use my mouse or trackpad to control it, unless you have a device with a touch screen. Eraser will go ahead and erase those markups, so I can just go ahead and erase some of those. Also notice while I'm on the eraser tool, this will wipe out everything that I put on the screen. So eraser tool, its extra menu, wipes out everything. This will turn my camera on and off. This X will not stop my recording. It will hide and show the tools. Notice how it says Option T. So if I hold the Option T or Control T, depending on the kind of computer that you're on, now my controls are gone. Option T, I bring them back. When I'm done, I hit stop, just like I normally would. And we'll talk about these other tools in another video.